Hi guys, welcome to my apartment. So I'm going to show you my 8,500 baht one bedroom apartment. So we're going to start at the door, and then on the side is the key, and then the broom over there, and then my rack. I found that rack over here. Okay, I'm going to start at the top, then my glasses, and then water, paper towel, and then my fridge. Is something I like about this fridge. There's ice. And then the carpet. Okay, like this apartment actually has like a lot of space, you know, I love it. So like I have this, I bought it on Lazada. If you guys are interested, I can leave a link in the description box if you would like to purchase this. So I put my cutlery, and then I have this stove. I also bought it on Lazada when this one broke. So this one broke, it's not working anymore, so I had to buy this one on Lazada. So Lazada, even the kettle is like, it's that kettle with the lights, very nice, beautiful. And then should I show you inside my cupboard? You guys don't need to see that. So like I'll be moving out soon, so yeah, I'll be moving out soon. That's why I'm doing this apartment tour now. So I have this one. So I have this, it goes around. See, you can put your spices inside, goes around like that. So yeah, it's nice. I also bought this one on Lazada. And then yeah, like the rest of my food, I'm not gonna show you this one. Oh, it also has like, I never use this, but you can also, how do you do it? So there's also this. I never use it though, ever. I never use it. So that's nice. And then I have like my fake flowers calendar from Mr. DIY. And then it also has like table space situation going on. I like that. I sometimes like to sit here. And then there's the couch. And then I bought that at Mr. DIY, this pillow, bought it at Mr. DIY. And then there's the balcony, and then there's another setting over there. So Lazada, I got this from my friend. I should be, I don't know why it's still here. Now it's like Christmas. Oh my God, this was like Christmas 2023 and it's still here. Shit, time goes by so fast. And then this Mr. DIY, but I printed the pictures. I printed this picture, and then I bought the frame, Mr. DIY. And then have my civil speakers, Mr. DIY. I bought it a long time ago. And then there's my books, my diffusers, candle, humidifier, and my books. I haven't read this one and this one. I haven't read. You see, they're still covered. I'm so bad. Like, wow, I would buy something and never open it. Maybe like there's nothing inside, so that's very dangerous. And then, yeah, my balcony. Let's go outside. I'm gonna show you. Guys, it's dark today, I don't know why, but yeah, so I created this hang situation over here because I don't have. And then that goes the outside. Yeah, so I live in like Ladprao, so which is like the outskirts. So there's Bangkok over there, Bangkok City over there. So this is like the outskirts, you know. So let me show you this side. Let me show you this side from the balcony. It's what it looks like. Nice. Okay. Now we're gonna go to the bedroom. Okay, so it looks like. And then I have this hanger here because I have like a steam iron. So I have like this steam iron. So I use this iron. I used to have this one, but then it broke, and then we bought this one. There's nothing much to see really. Like I didn't like do any decors because I knew I was gonna leave at some point. So yeah, like I have like the dream catcher. That one is from it's from Shein. Let me light it up. It doesn't come with the lights. I bought this and then I connected it to the, see, looking nice. And then there's the window over there, the bedroom, and then TV, and then like there's like a drawer situation going on over there. And then I have a fan here because at night it's so hot, so I turn it on the whole night. But I don't want to use the aircon. There is an aircon over here. And then there's like multiple lights. I like that shit. And then you see, there's like multiple lights. I love this apartment, guys. Some drawers. And then I have like, I put this divider on my drawers to like organize my things. And then, yeah, and then my perfumes. And then I have these, so I printed this, and then this one I bought it on Lazada. I also printed this one, so these two. So yeah, guys, and then we're gonna go to the bathroom. There's the window of the bathroom, and then we have the walk-in closet. My work clothes are here, so they're all gone. So yeah, like I love this. I love it. And then there's also like drawers, and then here is like my casual clothes. Very nice. And then we also have another drawer here. So the drawer has like, you know, my other stuff inside. So like it's very nice, like many mirrors. So this one's like a long mirror, and then up there is like my bags, my suitcases. So like, guys, I like this apartment for the space. Look at that, for the space. And the bathroom over there, then there's a bathroom over there. Yeah, like, okay, this is like Bath and Body Works hand lotion. Hand wash, but it's finished. And then like I have this face and body scrub. This one is a body scrub, so this one's like closed because I'm still using this one and another one. And then I bought this from Mr. DIY's, like toilet cleaner. And then yeah, so this is the shower. I love the shower. It's so big, like spacious, very spacious, very spacious. Yeah. That is the end of my 1-bedroom apartment tour, which I love. I'm going to miss when I'm gone. So yeah, guys, please subscribe, comment down below, like this video. See you on the next one.